This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are stir frying broccoli with pork. We'll start by soaking the black fungus in water for about 15 to 20 minutes. I have here 200 grams of lean pork. Cut the pork against the grain so that it becomes more tender. The grain runs this way, and you will cut it this way. Cut the pork up into about half to 1 cm slices. You do not need to be too accurate here. Line the slices up and cut it into half cm strips. Next, let's marinate the pork. Marinate it with light soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, white pepper, and cornstarch. Give the pork a good massage to ensure that the marinade gets absorbed into the pork. Set this aside. For the broccoli, cut the broccoli up into small florets. Do this by holding the stem and cut around it. If you have big florets, cut them up into smaller pieces. And don't forget the stem. Just cut off the outer layer and slice it up. We will also need about 6 slices of ginger and about 3 cloves of garlic, that's roughly chopped. For the sauce, in a bowl of water, put in soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, sugar, salt, corn flour. Give all this a good mix till all the corn flour has been dissolved. Now back to the black fungus. After soaking for about 20 minutes, they will have been more than tripled in size. Drain it. Then tear away any hard parts. If the black fungus are too big, tear them up into smaller pieces. I like to use black fungus here as it adds a little crunchy dimension to the overall texture of the dish. To stir fry, heat up your wok over a medium heat. When the wok is hot, add in the oil. That's the ginger and the garlic, and stir fry it for about 20 seconds or so till they are fragrant. Add in the pork and turn up the heat to high. Fry the pork till it turns white and is a little charred on the outside. Something like this. This will take about 1 to 2 minutes. Next, add in the broccoli, black fungus, and a splash of water. Cover and let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. You want the steam to build up in the wok and to tenderize the pork and the broccoli. After 2 to 3 minutes, there should be only a little bit of water left at the bottom of the wok. Give your sauce a good stir, as the corn flour would have settled at the bottom of your bowl by now. Then, pour the sauce over the ingredients. Give all this a good mix and bring it up to a boil. The sauce would have thickened almost immediately. When the sauce has thickened, taste and adjust your seasoning. If it is seasoned the way you want it to be, we are done. This is stir-fry broccoli and pork.